Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Look at this delicious looking Ogbono soup that I made. If you'd like to know how I prepared this soup, please stay with me and watch this video to the end as I show you the simplest and easy way to make your delicious Ogbono soup. So first of all, I'll be introducing my ingredients. This is my grinded ogbono. Big boy, I have cow leg beef, stockfish, and this is my fresh pepper. I grind it and store it in the freezer in case whenever I need it. This is my dried fish and my red oil and my onions and more seasoning cubes. Crayfish, the vegetable fruited pumpkin leaves I'll be adding to the soup. This is bitter leaf I'll be adding to the soup whenever we want to have a taste of bitter leaf in the soup. Making ogbono soup is not that difficult, it's not hard. It's one of the fastest soup I cook, yes. It doesn't even take me up to 20 minutes. I'm done cooking my ogbono soup. Fun fact, I haven't seen anyone that doesn't like ogbono soup. Like, who doesn't like ogbono soup? Ogbono is so slimy and enjoyable. One can easily overfeed when they are eating ogbono soup. Secret tip to make your ogbono taste extremely delicious is by adding extra crayfish. Add a lot of crayfish to your soup and you will thank me later. Don't mind the big pot I'm cooking with. I'll enjoy cooking with a big pot than a smaller one. Since we're not going to be eating all the soup today, I'm pouring in some portion of the soup so that we'll store it in the freezer for whenever we need it. Remember I showed you the bitter leaf when I was introducing my ingredients. I'll be adding the bitter leaf to this portion of soup whenever we are ready to eat it. So one thing is I don't add my vegetable in my soup when I want to store it in my freezer. I keep the soup separate and then keep the bitter leaf separate. So what I do is when I scoop out the portion we are having for the day, I then add the vegetable to it in order for it to taste fresh. So my ogbono soup is ready to be served. Yes, with this lovely looking fufu. Well, I'm not a fufu person. I'm not the one eating the fufu. But tell me, guys, which do you prefer? Do you prefer fufu or semo or gari? Personally, I enjoy and prefer gari to fufu. See now, look at the delicious soup I made. Check it out now. Check them out. Isn't this looking so delicious and yummy? If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't liked it yet, please do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.